So, what does it mean to be a Fiverr top seller? Hi, welcome back to VoiceOver Startup. I'm Jeremy. It's been a while since I've checked in. My apologies. But I wanted to talk today about what it means to become a top seller on Fiverr. Now, I've recently, in the last month or two, met the requirements to become a top seller. Now, unlike the other levels, you don't immediately become a top seller. There's a kind of a review process that they go through, but there are certain requirements that you have to meet to become a top seller. And let me share with you those requirements. Okay, to be a top seller, and I quote, you have to have a selling seniority of at least 180 days in the previous level. So I was a level 2, so it means you have to have been at that level for at least 180 days. You had to have had completed at least 100 orders all time. You had to have earned at least $20,000 all time. And then you have to avoid receiving any warnings for terms of service violations over the course of 30 days. I meet all those requirements. I have been meeting all of those requirements since the very beginning, except for the earnings one. So it was just a couple months ago that I hit that $20,000 requirement. So now I have met the requirements, and sometime over the next few weeks, I will be designated a top seller. Okay, so here are the benefits of being a top seller on Fiverr. You can have 30 active gigs. That's up from, I think, 20 active gigs for a level 2. Yeah, so you can have 30 active gigs. You can have 6 gig extras. Extras are things that you can upsell. 20 gig multiples. Custom offers up to $10,000. VIP customer support. Eligibility to be featured at promotional listings. Eligibility for customer success program, and earning clearance is in 7 days versus 2 weeks for level 2. To be honest, that's the thing I'm most excited about is not having to wait as long for your payments to clear. And just the fact that I think top sellers tend to get more jobs, and they are able to charge more typically. So I've already gone in and kind of started to, and I'm still one of the best deals on Fiverr. Okay. And I will be, I'm sure, one of the, throw out this dirty word. I'll be one of the cheapest top sellers on Fiverr because, hey, I know cost is important. I don't want to only sell based on cost, but some of these guys charge a lot, and I would not use those folks if I can get another quality performance done for half the money. That's the way I'd spend my money. So that's I've got a value proposition I'm doing here. But I should know here in the next few weeks that I'm designated as a top seller, and I think you get a little, logo you can put on your gigs, and so people know you're a top seller. So I'm looking forward to that. Other folks I've talked to said that they did see a pretty significant increase in volume once they became a top seller. So I'm hoping that's the case for me. If you have not put your shingle out on Fiverr yet, what are you waiting for? Okay, you need to go out there. Of all the platforms I've tried, Fiverr has definitely been the best one. So I'd encourage you to get going. And there's no time like the present to get started if voiceover is something that you've been wanting to do. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on VoiceOver Startup. Bye-bye.